It's been how long?
No,
Last day we skied together, it was an epic powder day at the peak. Now it's a fun day. It's good though. Look at that. And we did one lap and look where we are. It was the middle of March. Now it's the middle of December.
Yeah.
Holy shit, it's been a long time.
I think it was March 15th.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
We're on the Harmony. Alright, we're getting off the Harmony. It's sunny. Look at this. We're gonna hit the high sun bowl. The high sun bowl. Not the low sun bowl. Well, the high sun bowl into the low sun bowl into the whatever the other thing is there. Look at, here we go. There's the Tusky. And there's the awesome Lifty. Hi, Mel. Alright. This could be a little bony. I didn't think I was coming skiing until Sunday, but it's Thursday. Alright, so here you really need to know where you're going. Oh, this looks like the worst snow ever. So we are on the high sun bowl. This is where we were standing below. Yeah. Yeah, we were right there.
Okay.
Yeah. You skied this before.
It looks so different.
Yo! Yeah. Nice. Oh, and then somebody beat us to it. Somebody came up really high on us there. Woo! This is a bit rocky down here. So we were like this is where we were standing, right? Remember?
Yeah.
So this could be a bit, but whatever. Woo! Yeah, Barb. Yeah. Did you hit that one little bit of crust? Yeah. All right. Whoa. Oh, and there's my rock zone. We went here last time. Wow, this has been tracked. Let's go back to that same one. That's all been tracked, right? Woo! Certainly way better than expected. Yeah. Woo! That was...
He's found a rock.
how bad?
Not that bad.
That was good. No complaints. Ugh. There's why snowboarding would suck. But look at this. Remember we skied this. This was good. Face shot! All right, and now you just want to get out of here. It's gorgeous out. You know, in hindsight, look how good flute looks.
Oh, some
Now that you know what's going on here, it would
Yeah.
be really good.
some tracks up there.
Yeah, so what'd you think of that, Barb?
Oh, I'm home.
We're going for the butt cam. No, I wonder if we do that one. Yes. Well, this one just goes down to there, because this is actually, right? What do you think? Yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, like nobody's been here.
Right, this just goes along the back.
Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, this is good. I know this could be really bony though. So you gotta be careful here. Look at this, beautiful. What? Wow, look at this. Okay, I think I know this mountain. Those are B rocks. Nice. Yeah. Wow, that's an unexpected little surprise there. Woo! that?
It was really nice.
That was awesome.
Yeah.